cooking, Potla? Hi, today I'm going to cook for you potato eggplant fry. It's going to be delicious with a bunch of spices. It's time to cook now, and we have set the burner to medium. The first thing we do is we add 2 tablespoons of oil. We can add 3, 3 is fine. A spoonful of mustard seeds, half a spoon of cumin seeds. Just let this. Now it's time to add the onions. We would let these cook till they turn golden brown. Once they turn golden brown, then we add a few other spices. Half a tablespoon. Give it a good mix. Half a tablespoon of turmeric. I just love turmeric. I love the color. It's also good for health. Half a tablespoon of curry powder. Half a tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of cumin powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala, half a tablespoon of chili powder, salt to taste. Now we give all of this a good mix. Now add all the potatoes, give it a good mix. So I've added everything now, and I would be adding a little more water, and we would let this cook for about 20 minutes. Once that is done, we can do the taste test. I'm sure you're excited about it. This cooking channel is all about cooking for you. If you like something, I can cook it for you. You can just leave it in the comment section. If you enjoy my video, you could consider subscribing to my channel for all the latest videos that come out every week. Before it's come, wow, it's fully done. Let's add some garnish, coriander leaves. This will just make it taste better. Wow, it looks delicious. Now it's time for the taste test. Wow, it's delicious. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe for the latest videos. Till then, see you next time. Bye.